Hi everyone, this is teacher David S., your math teacher from ReachOut. Today I'm presenting you with the word problem of the week. This problem is featured commonly in Singapore math and is known as the chicken and rabbit problem. The problem reads this: Alex has a cage for his chickens and rabbits. Alex counts 274 legs from the bottom of the cage. He counts 26 more chickens than rabbits. So the question then is, how many chickens and how many rabbits does he have? Feel free to pause the video and see if you can solve it for yourself before I show you how to. This type of question has multiple different solutions. I will use the method of equations to solve it, simply because it is highly efficient. So with equations, our job is always to translate the sentences into mathematical expressions, into variables and numbers. So I'm going to go sentence by sentence. In the end, our job is to solve for the number of chickens and rabbits. So if my first sentence reads that Alex has a cage full of chickens and rabbits, well, I could assign some variables to these words then. Chickens will become C, rabbits will become R, so that when I write my mathematical statement, I don't have to write chicken or rabbit. Alex counts 274 legs. Okay, so this is my next sentence to translate, which will be a little bit tricky. 274 legs from the bottom of the cage. So those legs are formed by chickens and rabbits. Now a chicken has 2 legs, right? So the number of legs a chicken will have will be 2C. So 2C plus 4R, because a rabbit has 4 legs, must add up to equal 274. Okay, on to the next statement. Notice how I can't just go ahead and solve this question for chickens and rabbits right away, right? Because I have one equation and 2 unknowns, therefore you cannot solve it. So I need at least one more equation. My next sentence reads, he counts 26 more chickens than rabbits. Okay, again, not a very hard sentence to translate. 26 more chickens than rabbits, so chickens minus 26. Chickens minus rabbits would have to equal 26. There are 26 more chickens than rabbits. Okay, so I have 2 equations and 2 unknowns. Therefore, I can solve the system. To do that, I need to end up having one equation with only one variable. And to do that, I will use the method of substitution. So I can rearrange my equation 2. So this is equation 1 and equation 2. I'll rearrange equation 2 to read that the number of chickens equals rabbits plus 26, right? I just moved this R over to the other side, so I now have this equation 2 forming an equation 3 just in terms of chickens. And the reason why that's so great is because now I can plug this R plus 26 wherever I see the variable C, because C is also equal to R plus 26. So I'm going to work with equation 1. I'm going to substitute my equation 3 into equation 1, and it will look like this. 2 times R plus 26 plus 4R equals 274. To solve that, I will use a bit of distribution here and then collect my like terms. So 2 times R is 2R plus 26 times 2 is 52 plus 4R equals 274. Okay, now I just have to collect like terms. 2R plus 4R is 6R, and I'm going to take that 52 to the other side. So 274 minus 52 is equal to 222. So 6R equals 222. And now, therefore, R would equal 222 divided by 6, which is going to be 37. So now I've solved for my number of rabbits. Rabbits equals 37. I am almost done, but the question asks for chickens and rabbits. So if R equals 37, well, I can just go ahead and plug this into equation 3, right, which solves for the number of chickens. So if I put 37 here, 37 in here, chickens would be 37 plus 26, which is equal to 63. And we are done. The number of chickens equals 63, and the number of rabbits equals 37. I look forward to seeing you in next week's word problem. Hope you learned something from this week. Bye-bye.